Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows Update when it is stuck at 0% downloading. First, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Windows will automatically check for common problems and try to fix them. If you're asked to restart your computer, do that before checking for updates again. If the update is still stuck, you'll need to reset the Windows Update cache. Press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services app. In the list, stop these services one by right-clicking each and selecting Stop. Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Cryptographic Services, Windows Installer, and Windows Update. Leave the Services window open because you'll need it again in a moment. Now open File Explorer and go to the C drive and open the Windows folder. Now, search for the Software Distribution folder. This folder stores temporary Windows Update files. Select everything inside the folder and delete it. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. After the files have been removed, return to the Services window. Right-click the services you stopped earlier and select Start or Restart for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Cryptographic Services, and Windows Update. You can also restart Windows Installer if it is still stopped. Finally, restart your computer, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates again. Thanks for watching.